Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how you can update your iOS 26 version on your iPhone. For that purpose, first you need to do is to just open any web browser. I am going to open Safari browser, and then you have to type Apple iOS developer option and you will see this website in front of you. Then you have to click on developer program option. A new window will be open in front of you. Then you have to simply click on this arrow and you have to click on enroll button. You will see this website in front of you. Simply click on start your enrollment. Here you have to enter your phone number or Apple ID. Then you have to scroll down and you will see an option I agree option at the bottom of this page. Then you have to click on setting option on your phone. And you have to click on general option. Here you have to click on software update option. Here you will see the beta updates option. Simply click over here and then you have to click on iOS 26 developer beta option. Then you have to click on the automatic update option. Your phone will be updated to the latest iOS option. Here you will see that the iOS 26 beta option is available on your phone and you can click update now or update tonight option. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.